Hello everyone, particularly members of the University Scholars Forum and the entire students of Usman and Fodio University. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anas Muhammad Sani, also known as Uncle Anas. I am Abdusamad Dasuki Scholar at the University of Westminster here in London. I previously attended Sokoto State University and Usman and Fodio University, Sokoto. I was actively involved in student politics and unionism. I was several times class rep of my class, both at undergrad and postgrad levels. I was a departmental president, mayor of the Muslim Students Union president, and later chairman of the Union of Campus Journalists. I'm telling you all this because I will be facilitating a webinar with University Scholars Forum on the 25th of May 2025, and I want you to be there because I want you to be Anas Pro Max. So can you be there please for me and for yourselves?